Welcome in this video where you will learn how to create a desktop app using Vite and Electron. First, create Vite app using npx create Vite. Then set name for your project. Select React. Then select JavaScript or TypeScript. Now cd the path of project and install modules. Now you can run the app using npm run dev. To create Electron app, you need to install these modules. While module installation, create folder named Electron where will be Electron files. Now go to the package.json file and edit some things like I did, or you can just go to the description where you'll find this whole file and just copy paste it. Also, electron.js and preload.js are in the description. Now you need to edit Vite app port to 3000. And don't forget to add main path to Electron in package.json. Now you can start the app using npm run electron dev. Okay, that's all. See you in another video.